Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a fish stick plow remote. It's very simple and easy.
Cool. What happened to this remote? Why is it not good?
These.
Oh, the wires broke. But the remote control is still good. So what can I do to fix the remote?
We have to take this out and fix and replace this one with the new one that we have right here.
Oh, cool. You got the stuff from Stork Snowplows?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so how do you start? What are you going to do?
First, we're going to take a screw. It has to be the screw if you have these in it.
Oh, okay.
And you're gonna open it gently and take this out. You could see that you could take these out here too. So this is the old one. We don't want this.
Okay, cool. Where's the new wire?
Right here. Which we're gonna
Wow, cool. Let's see it. Take it out. And it came with the instructions. Awesome. Yep, that wire looks the same. How do we make sure the wires are the same? What do we check? What plug end should we look at first?
We have to look at this with... Okay, let's see if these are the same. Yep, the colors are the same. Now we're just gonna take the old one out. Make sure to be extra gentle. Then I'm gonna put the new one in. Make sure you get it in the right way. You have to see these to put in the right way. Make it a little squeeze.
Oh, wow. That was easy.
Yep. Then you're gonna line it up. See how it looks like a square? That's where it's gonna be. So we have to put it this way. And we're gonna line it up with these lines. Make sure it's in the right place. Give it a gentle push. We're gonna
Yeah, I'll help you hold it.
Then we're gonna put this in. Then we're gonna put these in again. Hey guys, the wires are back in. So let's put the remote back together. And then you could put the screws in it, and then we're finished.
Wow, that was so simple. Now I don't have any downtime when I'm outside snow plowing. Put those two screws in. You got to make sure not to over tighten them, right? Because it's plastic.
It might break.
Yeah, so great. Okay, thanks so much for fixing my remote, Pina.
You're welcome.